So here we go again, everybody. Beyond Meat had a notice from the NASDAQ regarding the bid price because it's been down $1 over 30 days. And everybody knows this is one of the normal things in a lot of stocks doing that. Even AMC had this and had to do a reverse split in order to bring the price over the $1. So we have to discuss where the price will go for Beyond Meat from there because they have until August, I think, to bring the price over the $1. Otherwise, we're gonna be delisted. But as we said, there's a possibility, two possibility for Beyond Meat to overcome this major threat to go over the Nasdaq. We're gonna discuss those two outcome or two things that we should do or Beyond Meat should do in order to bring the price over the $1 and stay in the Nasdaq. So before we go further, guys, remember our content here always for educational purposes only. So as we said, we got on the 4th of March, company received a Nasdaq deficiency letter from the Nasdaq because the $1 bid price has been uh, for 30 days, and this is one of the rules for any stock to have the price share over the $1, at least below the $1 for 30 days, they're gonna be uh, alerted or get a message from the Nasdaq to bring the price over the $1. This is the rule, guys. It's not me that I make the rule, but this is the rule in the market. So how we gonna bypass the rule or at least fix this problem? So the first problem, the first solution, which is lousy solution and easier solution for many stocks doing that, which is stock reverse split. Let me just give you an example. And AMC, we got AMC had a reverse split before. Let me just show you. And the price pulled back. Right now is around the $1. Last time we have a reverse split was on the 24th of August. What a coincidence, because the same for Beyond Meat have the limit to bring the price over the $1 in August as well. Let me just show you. I think on August. Yeah, let me just check. Yes, on August 31st and August, not the 24th. For AMC was on the 24th. So this is an example for you guys because AMC have the same scenario. As you can see here, the 24th of August, 2023, 2 years ago. And we have reverse split 1 to 10. And you see what's happened here? Once we have the reverse split news, the price dipped from the 41 until the 7. Then we have the reverse split, the price pulled back up around the 11. Then we continue to go down. So you see, we got this kind of scenario, which is negative scenario, doing the reverse split, price go over the $1, go, let's say 1 to 10, which is from 1 go to the 10, then $10 go below again to $1, and then doing another reverse split to bring the price over the $1 toward the $10. So you see the scenario here, dilution. A lot of investors don't like this. However, we got other stocks that have reverse split, but they have good reaction. I think one of the stock that we got reverse split for, let's see, we got this one, TPET, have a bad news. Yeah, around the 15th of November, we have 1 to 20. And you see on the news of the reverse split, the price pulled back almost 65%, then squeezed almost 300%. And again, lately here is squeezed almost 4 or 500%. And right now is around the $2. So this is kind of different scenario. Having a reverse split, price pull back, then squeeze once more. We might have this kind of reaction. This is the positive reaction. Even if we have reverse split, it's not a game over. Sometimes we have good news. Sometimes we have short squeeze from the bottom, and the price actually pulled back up and squeeze. So now we got the notice from the Nasdaq. So what we should expect? The last time we got a really good reaction was here. Yeah, before this news, around the 27th of February, we have a really good jump until the $1, the last test for the $1, then the price pullback. So now we have the news, what we should expect. We have two supports still there, guys, the 64 and the 51. So the reaction that I expect, we might have the reaction of TPET, which is pulling back, have a reverse split, or even before the reverse split, we might have accumulation, then squeeze from the bottom up. The best case scenario is holding here, accumulate, and never have a reverse split, then go over the $1. So there's three reaction. Either we go without reverse split and go over the $1 by accumulating and squeezing over the 105. This is the confirmation for the squeeze. Once we break the 105 and go toward the 125, this is the healthiest best reaction for Beyond Meat to have. Second best thing is have the first bit, pulling back, then squeeze after that over the $1 and go toward 25, 50, and 187. The worst case scenario of AMC, have reverse split, going down, go from $1 to $10, then going down again to $1 and have almost double dilution. So there's three reaction. Let me know, guys, in comment section below what you think about Beyond Meat, which reaction or which scenario that we're gonna have for Beyond Meat for this year before of August, because at August this is the limit for Beyond Meat to go over the $1. We're gonna discuss, of course, Beyond Meat on other stocks, as you can see here before the market opened. As you see here, TPET, we already discussed it before the jump that happened at 133. We had a lot of stocks that we discussed before. We got TURB was a really good stock that we traded before. The other stock that we discussed was APGO. It was really good before the earnings. So we do day trade and swing trades play on our Discord and channel. The link in comment section below. And of course, see you back by tomorrow, 30 minutes before the market open, of course, daily on our YouTube. Hit the like and subscribe and see you all back by tomorrow. Thank you for watching, guys.